Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll unveil the top contenders for the best brake pads for daily drivers. If safety and performance matter to you, stay tuned for our expert recommendations. Automobile wrench. Number 1. Raybestos, unleash the ultimate braking power. Elevate your daily driving experience with Raybestos brake pads, the pinnacle of performance and reliability. From smooth stops to impressive responsiveness, these pads redefine safety on the road. You can trust Raybestos to deliver top-notch quality, giving you peace of mind during every journey. Upgrade your braking game today and feel the difference firsthand. Raybestos, your ideal partner for everyday driving perfection. Number 2. Wagner's brake pads, the perfect match for your daily drive. Experience unmatched performance and reliability with these top-notch brake pads. Say goodbye to squeaky stops and embrace smooth braking like never before. Whether you're commuting or cruising, Wagner has your back. Upgrade your ride today and feel the difference. Trust in the brand that delivers safety and excellence on every road. Elevate your driving experience with Wagner's brake pads, the ultimate choice for daily drivers. Number 3. Power Stop, unleash the power of braking. Rev up your daily driving experience with Power Stop brake pads. These pads are a game changer, delivering superior stopping power and unmatched reliability. Say goodbye to squeals and jitters when you hit the brakes. With Power Stop, you'll cruise with confidence, knowing your car's in safe hands. Upgrade your ride and enjoy smooth, silent stops every time. Trust me, your daily drives will never be the same again. Shield #PowerStop #brake pads #smooth stops. Number 4. Bosch brake pads, unleash the power of precision. Oncoming automobile fire, a daily driver's dream. These pads redefine braking perfection. Say goodbye to worries and embrace smooth, responsive stops with Bosch's unrivaled technology. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising the open road, these pads deliver unmatched reliability and confidence. Elevate your driving experience today with Bosch brake pads, where safety meets sophistication. Drive with the best, glowing star. Number 5. Satoo's brake pads are a daily driver's dream. With outstanding performance and reliability, these pads ensure a smooth, safe ride every time. Engineered to perfection, Satoo provides the confidence you need on the road. From quick stops to long journeys, their precision braking is unparalleled. Upgrade your driving experience today with Satoo brake pads. Your car will thank you for it. Trust the brand that delivers excellence in every mile. In conclusion, after reviewing various brake pads suitable for daily driving, we've highlighted the top contenders that offer superior performance, reliability, and longevity. Ultimately, the best brake pads for your daily driver depend on individual preferences and driving habits. We recommend considering the factors discussed in this video to make an informed decision. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you choose the perfect brake pads to ensure a safe and smooth driving experience. Drive safely.